kinda gross. I don't want nose germs at the table. Here, Noe. Thanks, Yaya. Come on, Noe. Let's go build some super tall towers in the block center. You can help me reach the top. Noe, what do you need to do when you get sneeze germs on your trunk and hands? Put my books away? Change my socks? Oh, I know! Flush the toilet! First, let's wipe the table and wash your hands. Then you can build a tower with Yaya.
For the tiny little germ